Despite Idaho's rugged charm, its harsh weather often leads to frequent vehicle dents and dings. Fortunately, Paintless Dent Repair offers a cost-effective and efficient solution for Idaho's vehicle owners to maintain their cars' resale values. Paintless Dent Repair is a method increasingly favored for removing minor dents and dings without damaging the original paintwork. It involves specialized tools and techniques, delicately manipulating the metal back into shape without affecting the vehicle's finish or structure. Advantages over traditional methods. PDR boasts several advantages over traditional dent repair methods. Unlike the labor-intensive and costly processes involving filling, sanding, and painting, PDR preserves the vehicle's original paint finish, resulting in less time and expense. Rising popularity in Idaho. PDR's benefits are driving its popularity among Idaho's vehicle owners, dealerships, and service centers. In a state where extreme weather often causes minor damages, PDR is becoming the preferred choice for quick, effective, and economical dent repair. Impact on Idaho's vehicle resale value. PDR plays a vital role in enhancing and maintaining a vehicle's resale value, particularly in Idaho, where weather and outdoor activities often lead to minor body damage. By preserving the original paintwork and being cost-effective, PDR ensures vehicles command better prices on the market. Preserving original paintwork. Maintaining a vehicle's original paintwork is crucial for resale value. PDR resolves this by repairing dents while keeping the paintwork intact, making the vehicle more appealing to buyers. Cost efficiency. PDR proves to be more cost-effective than traditional methods, allowing Idaho's vehicle owners to maintain their vehicles without breaking the bank, which translates into higher resale values. Faster turnaround time. With quicker turnaround times compared to traditional methods, PDR minimizes inconvenience for vehicle owners, contributing to higher resale values. Enhanced perception. PDR helps maintain a vehicle's aesthetics, dispelling the impression of neglect and boosting resale value. The future of PDR in Idaho. While still in its adoption phase, PDR's future in Idaho appears promising. Despite limitations, advancements in technology are expected to increase effectiveness, making PDR the go-to option for dent repairs. In summary, PDR is essential for Idaho's vehicle owners looking to preserve their vehicle's resale value. It's time for Idahoans to embrace this innovation for a more profitable automotive future. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 20825-15338. That's 20825-15338. Or send email at eric@therateofgemstaterepair.com.